Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we are having a barbecue at my friend's home. Her husband, her daughter and herself is the chef. I'm just going to talk about the food that they prepared today. Okay, so firstly on the list, this is a salad, tossed vegetable salad with feta cheese, raisin, purple onion, cranberry. Oh my god, and that we're gonna have with either calorized Kraft Italian dressing or a rancher's or poppy seed. That's my favorite. I like having it with a poppy seed. Over here we have some watermelon, so yummy. Some hamburger buns, lettuce and tomato, and some chicken burger, hamburger bun. Over here we have the sausage for the hot dog, and my favorite. I can't wait to eat this jerk chicken. Guys, look at this chicken. Oh my god. It was made with a special homemade sauce. This is the Best jerk sauce. We're gonna put this on the in the store soon because it is really delicious. There's 2 containers of the jerk, and over here we have one more of my favorite. Oh my god, festival, guys. These are homemade festival. They are so crunchy, soft and tasty. Over here we have some condiments for the hamburger and the hot dog, and we have 2 bottles of white wine. Yeah. Oh, we're in for a treat, guys. Over on this side we have some Coke, some bottle drinks for the kids, and the fish is in the oven. Won't be able to show the fish today, but it's okay, yes we can. It's in the oven. Oh my god, look at that. Look at these are Dr. Fish. We have about, how many of them here? Oh my god, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 adults. Look at that, guys. We can open one of them and let them look at it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to show you what these fish looks like. My girlfriend prepared them. Oh, woohoo! Look at that. It is stuffed with callaloo. Oh my god, that looks so yummy. Look at the pimento seed. There's a pimento seed on top there. Yeah, this is going to be yummy and juicy. Oh my god, look at this one, guys. We put some cracker on that one. I don't know if you can see the cracker. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. I am so hungry. Wow. These are jerk Doctor fish. Yeah, jerk doctor. I was going to say parrot, but they're jerk doctor fish with stuffed with callaloo. Okay guys, today it's a short video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Very and Everything. Alrighty. Okay guys, take care and thanks for watching. Have a good day.